Hello everyone. Really appreciate you keep watching till now. Congratulations. We are now moved to the last two phase. It's combined phase E and F in the ArchiMate. It's not our quite a technical part, but it's trying to use ArchiMate language to talk about the project management, the migration management, transformation management. So there's a kind of a conceptual modeling. So we only have two views in this phase. One is this migration. The next is we have putting the certain the cross layer SS and to be the concept into or element into one TOGAF project context. We can treat that as the project impact information view. And let's do this the migration. So before we move, you can see the two junction. But when you read the text in this the case study, even as I recommend this, we should prevent this junction. But for this special case, is talking about is we should show the context is the organization doesn't have enough resource to do this transition A, transition B altogether, or which means to do both. So that means is we should present to the stakeholder is you should choose one of these two. So that's why is here is we should explain this is the or relation. So either A or B. You cannot do A and B. So if we don't use this junction, maybe it's a little tricky is how to show that these meanings. So let's create a folder. So PhaseE&F, the implementation and the migration. And we don't have anything about this phase, so let's duplicate from scratch the view. So figure 34 is the migration view. So we will use this plateau. So if you click on this, and actually you can use this information. So then you can see here is when I drag one inside here. So plateau is represent a relatively stable state of the architecture that existed during a limited period of time. So that is the way is we want to use that to show in the kind of the baseline or the project or the migration. So we don't have anything on here on this layer, so let's just the very safe to make those drag and place. So then that is transition A, one enterprise, Y the CRM system is baseline. Back office systems. We don't need to duplicate. The drag is more the convenient. Transition B, standardize, standard back office suite. With baseline CRM systems. So these two transitions, as described in the case studies, they cannot happen at the same time. So we need to use the junction, and then we have another tool. So the transition C. That is one enterprise wide CRM system with standard back office systems. So this is after AOB, so which means is business need to choose which A or B, but no matter which one is, we can achieve this transition C state. Then after C, so we come to the target state. So CRM, back office, and data warehouse in place. So that is showed in the previously the view already. So we will make this junction to put here. So let's see. So we have our junction 1 here, junction 2 here. So that is the tricky things is we put this here. You can give a junction to some name. So that is because if you don't name that, is you will have numbers of just the junction. So maybe so we put this is baseline plateau to either transition A or B. It's not appear here, so you don't need to worry about the name. Name is just when you're putting here, it give you some hint. So I suggest is when you got time is you make some name because that will really help you for you in the future. So similar is you can see is from either transition A or B and connecting to transition C. It's just the free text you can make. Then from here is the we can see that is the trigger. So press Shift. We will do a lot of trigger because the state is previous state will trigger the next state. So that is the thing is we are making this done, and we can make some alignment, and you can put this a little higher. So then that is the thing. We finished this migration. I don't care too much about the format, like is make this better, but you can do this on your own. Is to that is better for the presentation. And one thing is one format you see here on the horizontal vertical is we also can show this appearance here. So, but we if we select multiple, because when I select all is I select also the junction. So that make you is cannot make this adjustment on the same element, same type of element. So this is the done for the this view. See you in next view, which is our last view. So thank you. Talk later. Bye.